just a short note on kit surfacer. So I'll just use these settings. Make sure to select your resolution here. Right, so I don't have Octane installed, so that's why I'm doing this. So just be aware if you don't have Octane installed, this will happen. Doesn't matter much at the moment, but of course this is going to save the surface without an Octane surface. Be aware of that. I don't think there's any option to not use an Octane surface. Right, so just wait a few seconds and it will spread out. Don't mess with the scene when this is happening. So here we go. Looking good, but you'll see that when I turn on VPR, it doesn't look that great anymore. Why is that? Let's check the nodes. What you'll see here is that, of course, it doesn't connect to the Octane surface because I don't have that installed. So what's happening is that those connections are not driven into the material. So what you'll simply do is take this material, this LightWave material instead, and just go like that. So now you'll see that this here is green, so that's fixed. However, these other ones are not. So what we'll do, simply copy that one, shift click, right click, and paste the surfaces. And now it's fixed. You will then say save all objects, because we got quite a few objects here. Save all objects. Are you sure? Yep. So these surfaces are now fixed. You can use them in Unreal and in LightWave, but you cannot use them in Octane, since at the moment I didn't have Octane installed. So if I install Octane at a later point, these surfaces will not work. So just be aware of that. Anyway, just thought I'd mention two or three things in regards to this. Also do check out the other settings here. There's an explanation to what these things do. Okay, so just a short info there. Just adding do take a note of your save location.